Dear customers, now let's take a look at how to place an order on our website. First, please choose the country of delivery. This is a very important step, as the gift selection and the prices vary depending on the country of delivery. For the purpose of this video, I am picking Australia. On the top right-hand side of the page, you will find a drop-down with different currency options. If it is easier, you can use this drop-down to select the currency our site will use for the price of each gift. Please keep in mind that this is an estimate only, as conversion rates change frequently. You will be charged for the total price in US dollars upon checkout. You'll also notice on this main page that you will find the average time to deliver each gift and the local time. While the actual cost of delivery varies by item weight and delivery location, we made it easy for our customers to shop for gifts. With Ace of Hearts gift baskets, the delivery fee is always included in the price of our gifts in all of our catalogs, so you can expect no surprises. Please also keep in mind that for remote regions, it may take a little longer than average. Now, you are ready to choose a gift. For your convenience, we have sorted them out into the most common categories: beer gift baskets, tea and coffee hampers, cakes, and more. If you aren't sure exactly what you want, don't worry. You can also view gifts based on the reason for purchase, birthdays, thank you gifts, and more. If you are still unsure, you can also look at gifts based on who the recipient is. Are you shopping for your boss, your mom, a child, or somebody else? We have a category of gift suggestions for nearly everyone. Underneath this, you will find a list of gift basket themes. This is a fun way to look at our baskets if you know for sure that you want to send gluten-free gifts, or maybe something with notes of Italy. If you click on today's deals and specials, you will see our special offers, and such features as same-day delivery and alcohol-free gifts can also save you time. Let's say you are searching for a chocolate tower. The category Towers will help you with that. With All My Heart gift set looks nice. Let's see the details. You will be able to check all of the information regarding the item, contents, how long it takes to deliver this gift, customer reviews, and so on. If you have any questions, you are welcome to click on the live support icon at the top of the page to get in touch with our customer support team, who is available 24/7. Then, you hit continue to check out. Here, you will be given an option to add extras to your gift. You can select as many add-ons as you'd like. For example, a bottle of wine or a sweet stuffed bear. Once you are finished selecting add-ons, please click Continue to Checkout to proceed. If you are a new customer, please enter your email address to continue as a guest. Please note that if you've placed an order but never registered with us in the past, you will need to use the guest checkout option. If you are a returning client, please sign in with the login password, or alternatively, enter the number of your previous order and enter your account. Now, you need to fill in all of the required information: the full name of the recipient or recipients, the delivery date, your recipient's complete address and phone number or email address. If you don't have the recipient's address, please click here and we will retrieve it from the recipient when scheduling delivery. If you have selected multiple gifts, you will see an option to assign each gift to a different recipient, and even write 2 separate greeting cards, but only if you have more than one gift. Then, enter your contact details. If you are late for a birthday, anniversary, or any other occasion, we can still bring joy to your recipient right on time. You may choose the option Send Now as Gifty-Link to virtually surprise your recipient and let them know that the gift is on the way. Now, let's make your gift special by adding a personalized greeting message. Make sure you select the occasion for the greeting card. If you are in a hurry, or you just aren't sure what to write, we have a greeting card library of text that you can choose from. If you need to leave any notes for delivery, such as a gate code, be sure to enter it into the comments field. Now, you'll have one more chance to review your order. Please double-check to make sure that all of the delivery information is there and that nothing is mistyped. Once you are sure your order is correct, you may proceed to payment. Choose the method of payment that works best for you. We accept all major credit and debit cards, PayPal, wire or bank transfer, many local payment methods, and several offline payment methods. If you need more assistance, you can call, email, or live chat with our customer service team. We will be happy to walk you through the process or create an order for you.